Greetings, friends. 25 August 2020. 1966 Chevrolet C-20 inner front fenders splash shields support brace. That's what they all do. The corner of them always rot, and there's a little bracket in there that always rots also. It's all done, all fixed. A lot of new metal put in, a lot of new pieces put in. The brackets were all rebuilt and reinstalled. A little bit of hammering, dollying, and adjusting, and drilling, and bending, and cutting, and fitting, and getting it all to go back in. And then on this one took a lot more work. I had to re-slice it and re-angle it and bend it and get it so it's flat and so it's true. So let me just show you what they look like.
The end of mankind. Doesn't matter where it lives. Nothing would survive bacteria.
And that bracket right there is hidden way down underneath by the radiator. And here's this one. There's quite a few new areas in here. This is a new flange. This is a new part on the inside. This is a new part. That's a new part right here. And I gotta grind that down tomorrow, some of those welds. And then in here I'm gonna inject some like undercoating in that little cavity, because that's where the water will collect. So I don't want anything to collect in there on this truck. So, yeah. Pretty warm today, folks. Pretty warm, pretty warm. Whew. Well, that's it on that. And let me get myself a little bit of air blowing in here. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm not very good at this. The reason why I'm not so good at these videos anymore is because the Windows 10 operating system, they removed a lot of the generic tools that the earlier Windows systems had in there to make movies, to make videos, to do a lot of editing. Now they want you to buy the stuff, so I just go ahead and make raw videos like this with a phone. There's a little bit of shaking in there. I know, I get it, but you're not burdened with a ridiculous introduction that all these YouTubers want to make for their channel, and they just play that forever. If you're like me, you just like to look at videos. If you lose interest, you go to the next one. So hopefully my 2 to 8 minute videos do not cause you to click away. I want you to watch these. I want you to subscribe. I want you to like the video and hit the bell, all that good stuff. And I want to get my count up. I'm just telling you right up, I want to do that. I'm going to keep bringing you more content of this stuff I'm doing. I'm not so sure I can really give you instructional videos. I can usually just show After Effects. This is what we did. This is how we did it. Because I'm going to get into other things like my Porsche 928 competition package car right here and my Porsche 928 S4. Those two are mine. These are what I want to do on my own. Of course, the 66 Chevy and the parts for it, you know, I'm going to all talk about that. Look it up there. Those are the rear fenders for this Chevy truck and the tailgate. Those have all been fixed and repaired. And in here, I just got the lower fender pieces. Today they came in, right here. Of course, I don't need all of that. I just need a part of it. And start working on those tomorrow. Both of them. You know, that one and these two. Whew, sure is warm. I'm out of here, folks. Be good. Look up to the light. Be kind to one another. And let's not elect Joe Biden. He's a piece of doo-doo. Okay? Donald Trump is the guy. We need to have him. He's the president for the earth. He's the right guy at the right time for the right mission. Mark my words on that. Peace.